Okay, so this is the Monoprice Select Mini. What you're gonna do is on the side, you have the micro SD. So let's zoom in and take a look. Right here, you're gonna use your finger to go ahead and pop that out. The easiest way is to kind of use your finger under, put it upside down and use your nail to pop it out. And you wanna pop it out, that's how it should look. So you're gonna walk over to the laptop. Once there, you're gonna place it inside on the right-hand side. You have a micro SD slot. There's two of them. You want to make sure it's that one right there. And you're going to put it in like this. Make sure it snaps in when you push it. Now, you're going to go find a file. So right now we'll go to Thingiverse. I'm going to look up a skull real quick. Okay, so here's the file. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to put download all files. And it'll download. So I'm going to click on it down here so it'll open automatically. So this is a zip file. Inside it'll be other folders, and what we're looking for is an STL file, but it has this symbol. It has that red and green symbol. So go ahead and double click that and it'll launch Simplify 3D, which will allow us to print the file. Okay, so sometimes it'll be too big. Like for example, right here it's too big for the print. So let's get rid of anything that was there before. I'll click on it and hit backspace and it'll be gone. So if you go to edit, it'll allow you to go ahead and resize it automatically. But right now what I'm going to do is double click on the item and then change the scale. Once I pick one, it'll change everything else to the same percentage. So I'll just put it to 40%. And then to center it, I'm going to go to edit, center and arrange models. Okay, now we're ready to print. So I'm going to go to edit process settings. Under profiles, there's 3 different printers. You're going to pick the Monoprice Select. Okay, you want to make sure that support is checked off. We want to make sure we generate support. Hit OK. Prepare to print. So right here, depending on the file, if it's complicated, it'll take a little longer to run, but you'll notice on the bottom that it's changing, it's saying that it's running something, and in a second, you will see another window pop up. It'll show the print time up here. For example, this one's like 3 or 4 hours. You can adjust the size to make it take less time or more time. So after that, we're gonna hit Save to Disk, and we're gonna look for the SD card. Let's pick that, hit Save. It'll say successfully saved. Okay, once that's done, again, you're gonna go off to the side, use your fingernail, that makes it easier. Pop out the micro SD card. Walk over to the printer, put it in. Again, I'm gonna put my finger upside down, makes it a little easier because I gotta use my nail. Okay, it's in. Now, back here is the switch. What you want to do is flick it up, just like that. And then what happens is the printer will turn on. Okay, so once it's on, you can actually move the table. You can just slide it back. Okay, this will turn and press in. It's like a button. So let's hit print. I'm going to turn to the right to go down and left up. If I roll left, I go back towards the bottom. I want the last file. That's the one that I just generated. And I hit OK. Now, if I want it to print faster, I roll over to speed, push the button in, go all the way to 2 times, and then hit OK, and we're all set.